Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are the two other models for the iPhone 12. One is Forza case. The other one is Argos case by CLAYCO. Yeah, I want to give it a shout out and thanks CLAYCO for sending me this iPhone cases to do a review for you guys. So anyway, let's go and then dive into it. And I'll be including the link that's going to show you in the description so you could check them out. So let's go and then see what we got. This one's the iPhone 12 6.1 inch Forza SP Black. So it could be used for 12 or the 12 Pro. And this one's the 6.7 for the 12 Pro Max. And this one's the 6.7 Argo Black. And this one is 6.7, the Argo Purple. And this one is the 6.1 Argo Purple. .1 Argo Black. And this one is for the Apple iPhone 12 mini 5.4 inch Forza SP Black. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. It's by CLAYCO. Here's their thank you card. And you could scan this QR code for the installation video. Oh, here's the installation guide right here as well. And here's the case. Wow, got the smoke back cover right here. And it is by CLAYCO. Here's the power and then a sleep button right there. There's also a cover for your charging port. And microphone and speaker grill. There's your volume up and down rocker. And then also the cover for your silent switch. And there's also a screen, plastic protector. So to open, you do the same thing. There's a gap right here. And just go around it and push downward. And then unclip those lip. Let me go get the dummy phone. So here's the iPhone 12 mini. Normally I like to install the one with the most button in first, and then slice it, and then just slide in. And you're gonna tilt the top in the angle section like that, and then make sure you push in and clip it, and then just press down both sides. And make sure the rubber is clipped on the upper plastic. And then that's it. There you go. Nice. And you got the for this extra bumper, in case you drop it on a corner, it's not gonna crack your iPhone or dent it. So let's go and then check out the 6.1 inch. This one's the Argos black. Wow, look at that. Got the CLAYCO logo right here, and then their branding. And it is designed in USA, made in China. Wow, I didn't know it's on the back. It's like a credit card or your driver license holder right here. Nice. So in case you don't want to carry your wallet, your credit card conceals in here, and just slide in there and then knock it in. There's your CLAYCO branding right there, and then the logo. Let me go get the dummy phone. I got the dummy phone right here. Wow. Yeah, it's fitting there very nicely. So there are holes right here. You could just slide out your credit card. Let's go and then check out this purple one. Yeah, I got this nice diamond shape right here on the back. Give it a test real quick. There you go. Alright, let's go ahead and test out this one. So this one same as this one. Go and do the same thing. Alright, there you go. So this one you can barely see the Apple logo right in the center. And then there's a raised lip right here to protect your camera lens. Alright, so let's go and then open this. So unfortunately, I don't have the dummy phone for the 6.7 inch, but my pre-order supposed to be coming today for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So basically, this is the same one. And then this is the same as this that I just did the demo on. Check the credit card, it should be the same size. Yeah, the holder is the same size. And then the last one with this black color. Let me black and gray. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. And be sure to check out the links. That's going to show you guys these cases. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.